Okay, so welcome back if you've made it this far. This is the very last section where we're going to write the Ansible playbook that is going to automate what we done at the very start of this project, and that is install and configure WordPress. But we're going to do it on the Ubuntu AWS EC2 host that we provisioned a few videos back. So, with that in mind, let's get to it. So, an Ansible playbook, here's the format of it. It starts off at the global area where you define the host that the play will be taking place on. And a play consists of a group of tasks made up of modules. In this case here, what we've done is we have a module uh, called apt, and we've labeled it install Apache because the apt module is going to make Apache 2 present. And this is the format of an Ansible playbook. There are many modules, and we're going to cover a lot of them in this playbook because it takes quite a few to install all the things that are needed from the Ubuntu tutorial to get the WordPress site up and running. So let's get to it. We have uh, this YAML validator online, which is quite useful uh, for validating Ansible playbooks. Um, so first things first, uh, we've already got our host defined in the host file, and it's only one host, so we're going to label it hosts all. Um, One important thing when writing an Ansible playbook is it's in YAML format and indentation matters, so you need to keep everything indented correctly or it will not work. Uh, Gather facts, false, so we will not be inheriting any of the global variables, and become yes, and this will make us become the root user upon login. So you need to be authorized against a user who has sudo privileges. Okay. Tasks. Name. Update packages. And we're going to use the apt module for this. And we're going to say upgrade. Yes. Is this valid so far? Valid, yes. Update. Update cache. Update cache. And the cache update is valid for 1 day. validate. Okay, what have we done? Okay, typo. Okay, so that's the apt module. It's basically going to upgrade all the packages on our target host. So our next module is again going to be apt. apt. It is going to install all the dependencies from here. And we've added Python 3 at the bottom. And we need to fix this indentation. Okay. Okay, that's valid. Name create. Let's double check. What is the next section? Okay, so make directory www.in/srv. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll have to use the file module. So we're going to call this create www.dir using the file module, path /srv/www state directory Okay, so now we have to chown. Okay, so we're going to need to change ownership. Of this directory because it'll be created using the root user. And we'll do that again using the file module. File path /srv/www owner. I am going to create lines. Okay. owner. So we have to make www-data the owner. So www space www-data. Okay, that looks right. Validate. Yes. Oh, indent. There's an issue. Okay, where are we? Line 31, create name www dot indentation issue. That looks okay to me. Name. File. Okay, it's saying that there's a an issue here at line 31, but actually, I think if we look further up the file here, we can see that some of the indentation was missed out earlier, so we'll have to correct that. So we now have a valid YAML file. Okay, so we're free to continue. Let's add a few more lines down here. Okay, so the next step here is to then download this archive file for the latest WordPress installation, and then we have to untar it and make sure the owner is www.data. We have to untar it to here. Okay, so in order to do that, name we're going to use the unarchive module. Which is called Ansible Bulletin on Archive. And SRC is going to be here. And the destination /srv/www. Owner data. Remote SRC true. If I could stop making that typo for my colons, that would be great. Let's validate that YAML, and we're valid. We're good to move on to the next one. Okay, so what is the next section? Okay. Configure Apache for WordPress. So create wordpress.conf in this directory. So we're going to once again use the file module for that. So name create conf file path. Okay, let's do this. I have made that typo yet again. State G touch. Validate that YAML. There we go. And then name. Okay, so we're going to have to populate this file with the following lines, and for that we're going to need the bulletin block in file module. Okay. And it has to go into this file here. And the block of text will be okay. Validate YAML. I think that's bud validation. There we go. Validate. Okay, I think we may need to indent this. Validate. Okay, the YAML is valid. Okay, so this module here will populate the WordPress.conf file with this virtual host information. Okay. Now we need to enable our WordPress site. So, okay, and to enable our WordPress site, we're going to need the bulletin module, which is used for running basic Linux commands. So let's get that inserted now. Name enable WordPress site. This indentation's off a little bit. There we go. And the command we need to run is yeah, that won't work. We will have to direct Ansible to, it doesn't know where the binary file is on the remote host, so we will have to define that. So the Apache command to enable the site is an sbin, so user slash sbin, so usr sbin slash and then WordPress. Okay, that looks all right to me. And what is the next ones? Okay, enable again, enable and disable. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this. Let's try this again. So let's copy this down to our next line. Okay, fix the indentation. Use -sbin slash disable the default site that'll be installed when Apache gets installed at the beginning of the playbook, and it is called 000-default. So yeah, validate YAML. Yes, we are still valid. Okay. I think that's mostly WordPress configured. Now we have to configure our, let's see, that's mostly Apache configured. So yes, we now have to, we have to reload Apache. Let me just double check here. Oh yes, okay. Sudo service Apache reload. That'll be the bulletin module again. We can just do this now. Copy paste. Bullet command. It'll be service Apache to reload. Let's see. Okay. That looks alright. Okay. Okay, so Apache gets reloaded, and then I think we have to configure the database. Let's just go, yes, configure the database. So this module is name create database. And we need the MySQL database module. And the database name is going to be Wordpress, and its state needs to be present. Okay. Now we have to create a user and give it a password. Oh, just a moment. We have invalid YAML here, duplicated mapping key. What? Okay. Let's see. Validate YAML. Okay, that's valid. Okay, so now we need another module for creating. Let's see. We need to create the user, and we will call this one. Let's see, name. Create user with password all DB proof. Okay, and we need to use the MySQL DB module again. State present name WordPress user And for password, I'm just going to give password 123. I recommend you don't do that. And privileges, all. What is going on here? Validated YAML, duplicated mapping key. Ah, okay. Of course. So that should be okay. Next, we need to reload MySQL. And we're going to have to use the bulletin module again for this service. Okay. That's that section done, and then we have to configure WordPress to connect with the database. So we have to copy WordPress config sample to WordPress config.php. Okay, so we can simply use the bulletin command there as well. Name copy wp config-sample.php and the Ansible bulletin module bulletin shell cmd YAML is valid. Okay. Now we have to set the database name to WordPress, username to WordPress user, and password to password 123. Okay, so let's do that now. Sudo Wordpress.php. Okay. And then set username. And we'll change this to WordPress user. And then name. Set credentials. Let's see here. Validate YAML. Indentation. Okay, that's worked. Build and shell again. Let's see. CFD. We're going to change that to password 123. Okay. Okay, let's go down. What more have we to do? Okay, we have to update the WP config file. Okay, that isn't 100% necessary to complete this task. So let's see here. Validate YAML. Okay, that is our playbook fully written. Come back in the next video to test it out.